In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Shopify store. Whether you're ramping back up after a seasonal break or simply ready to dive back into the world of e-commerce, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. First, you'll want to make your way to the Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. This will take you directly to the Shopify homepage, where we're going to begin the process of logging back in. Now, if you're already familiar with Shopify, this should be quite straightforward. But in case you're new here or you need a little refresher, let's go through it. You'll find a login option somewhere at the top right corner or within the menu. Just click on that. Once you're there, enter your email address and password associated with your Shopify account. Remember to keep your login credentials secure to protect your store's information. Once logged in, you'll see your Shopify dashboard. Here, look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select All Stores. This option allows you to view all the Shopify stores connected to your email address, regardless of their status. Now, since we're focusing on reactivating a store, you should look for and click on Inactive. This will filter your list to show only the stores that are currently not active. It's a handy feature that saves you from scrolling through active stores when you know exactly what you're aiming for. After clicking Inactive, you'll see a list of your inactive stores. Scroll through and find the store you want to bring back to life. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open that store's details. At this point, you'll need to select a plan for your store. Shopify provides various plans based on the features you need, so think about what suits your business best. When you've decided, click on Select a Plan, and the next screen will prompt you to input your payment information. Enter your card details carefully. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any interruptions or errors in processing the payment. Once everything is set and you've double-checked your entries, the final step is to hit the Subscribe button. And that's it. You've successfully reactivated your Shopify store. You're now ready to get back into business with your online store up and running again. Remember, you can always change plans or update information as needed directly from your Shopify admin panel. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your renewed venture.